Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing lesson 7-9. And the I can statement for today states that I can recognize when two expressions are equivalent. So this is a vocabulary word that we have had. Equivalent just simply means equal, okay? All right, so we're going to use the properties that we have been working with in the last lessons to determine whether this statement right here, 5a plus 7 parentheses 3 plus a, is equal to 12a plus 21. Okay, so first of all, we're going to rewrite the first expression using the distributive property. So I'm going to keep the 5a because the 5a is something I don't need to deal with right now. I'm going to put the add sign just like it's written. Now 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, then I'm going to keep the add sign and I'm going to take 7 times a, which is 7a. So what I've just done is I have simplified. Oops, hard to see that. I have simplified that first expression. I want to know, is it equal to 12a plus 21? I'm running out of space here. Oops, 12a. My bad. All right, so we're not done yet. We need to work with this first part of our expression here, this first expression. We're going to use the commutative property, and we're going to rearrange this. We're going to keep the 5a. Okay, I'm going to use the commutative property and rearrange these second two parts, plus 7a plus 21. Okay, so now I'm going to take the associative property and I'm going to combine the two like terms. I get 12a, and I'm going to keep the plus 21 because it is not a like term. Now I'm going to determine, is it equal to 12a plus 21? Sorry, that's so close. Are they the same? Well, the answer is yes. And if the answer is yes, then they are equal or equivalent. That would be the answer that I need to put for today. I have determined that they are equivalent. All right? Very good. So we combined like terms, boys and girls. This was the key. All right. Let's do one more. Okay, I want to show you one that's not equivalent. So I'm going to erase this as quick as I can. I'm going to put a problem up here. This time I'm going to use multiplication just to remind you how multiplication works. Okay, so let's start with 6a times, okay, times, it's a times sign, 4. I want to know, is it equal to 22a? Okay, now when all three items are times, I'm going to take this apart so you can see it. 6 times a times 4. Okay, I can combine all of these because if it's all times, you can combine the like terms. 6 and 4 are like terms, so you can take the 6 and the a apart. That just means 6 times a. These are like terms, so I can put these together, okay, using the commutative property. 6 times 4 times a. Putting these associative property, now I have 24a. I'm going to compare it now to what I had before, which was 22a. Okay, are they the same? No, they are not. So they are not equal or not equivalent. All right, so today we did an example of an equivalent expression, and we did an example of two that are not equivalent. Thanks, boys and girls. Happy math.